This is a video demonstration of the Eternal Lighting Company's 216 10mm LED panel. You'll notice that this light is about 14 inches in length, 10 inches in width, and about 3 inches deep. Right now we've got this light set up here along the wall just to demonstrate how this light can be used as an uplight if you'd like. You'll notice that you still get a spot on the ceiling that you're used to seeing from a par can, like we have here. The spot from this light actually is much wider, and because it's still, the LEDs are in a rectangular shape, you still get the spot like you're used to, but you get a much wider wash on the wall. So this light is kind of considered a LED wash. It does feature only a 25-degree beam angle. Maybe you might think that a wash should have a wider beam angle, but this is a pretty wide wash from side to side here, as opposed to what a par can would do. I want to go through some of the features of this light. We'll go ahead and set it here on its side. There's a small bracket here that allows you to mount it with a hole here, so you can put a O-clamp or something of that. There's also these clamp brackets here to mount it flush to the wall or whatever you might be using. Here we have our LCD push button display. We've got address mode, sound active mode, auto mode, speed. The speed allows you to change the speed of the programs in auto mode. Let's go back. We've got display. This allows you to invert the display if you'd like. And then we've got the red, green, and blue. Now the cool thing about the red, green, and blue, it allows you to manually mix the intensity of those three colors. So this light can be used as a par can and then be set up to mix any color just like you would if you were using a DMX controller. Now you'll notice that the display went out. After about 15 seconds that goes away, in case you might have this positioned in somewhere in the room or on your trussing where that LED display might be annoying. This way it just blacks out, and when you press the button it comes back on. A couple other things here. We have a microphone. This is the intensity knob for the microphone. You got your DMX input and output here. Just want to show you the feature about the red, blue, and green. On a scale of 0 to 255, you can see the color change because we took blue down to 1, or you can put it at 0, and then as you start introducing blue, the colors will start mixing and fading with the red and green. Anyhow, let's go back to some of the auto programs to demonstrate those. Okay, in auto program you've got 22 preset programs. We'll go ahead and just go through some of those now. That's program 2, program 3, program 4, program 5, program 6, program 7, program 8, program 9, program 10, and 11, 12, program 13, program 14, program 15, and program 16. This is where you've got your preset colors. You've got your red, green, blue, yellow, purple, cyan, and then lastly white. If you went to the speed setting on this light, right now it's set at 15, which is the quickest. You can slow that down to 0, which now you can see those colors are changing through much slower. So all those programs can be adjusted by that speed. You've also got your sound active like we talked about earlier. Anyhow, that's a quick video demo of this light. It's very lightweight, so you could just mount these on a small speaker stand as a light pole, or some light duty trussing. You don't need the big 12 by 12 aluminum strong trussing to hang the new technology LED lighting that there is out there, so just think about that. Anyways, if you have any questions, please feel free to send me an email or give me a phone call. I'll put the email address and our phone number in the video description. Thank you.